Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to read a wonderful story. And this is chapter number 8 in your main course book. The name of the chapter is Gulliver in the Land of the Giants. So this is a very popular and interesting story. Some of you might have already read it, right? So before moving on to the story, let us know about the author, Jonathan Swift. So Jonathan Swift was born on 30 November 1667 at Dublin, Ireland. He was an Irish author, clergyman and satirist. He received a bachelor's degree from Trinity College and then worked as a secretary to Sir William Temple. Most of his writings were published under pseudonyms. He is best remembered for his book Gulliver's Travels. He died on 19 October 1745 at Dublin, Ireland. As we all know, voyages bring the sense of adventure into the lives of people in exploring the unknown. So Gulliver was a sailor. So this story is about Gulliver's stay in the land of the giants. So let us read how this came to be. One day Gulliver and his fellow men were traveling in a ship and they were on their way to Surat. A fierce storm carried their ship to a faraway place. On 16th June 1703, they discovered land. The next day, some of the men and Gulliver reached the land. While some of the men stayed close to the boat, Gulliver walked alone for about a mile on the other side. Suddenly he heard a commotion, and before he could get to the boat, his fellow men had left, leaving him alone in the strange land. Then he saw a huge creature was running after his fellow men in the sea. Gulliver ran and climbed a steep hill and found himself in a cornfield with stalks that seemed 40 feet high, threatened to be squashed or cut in two by the reaping hook of the giant who had appeared. And Gulliver was very much terrified. He shouted and shouted to make the giants feel his presence. One of the giants picked him up and took him to his master, the farmer. Then Gulliver was placed on the ground and the giants sat around him. To appear friendly, he presented his purse of gold, but the giant returned it. The farmer then wrapped Gulliver in his handkerchief and took him to his house, where he was invited for dinner with the farmer's family. The dinner was eventful, everybody enjoyed very much, and there was the farmer's son too, holding him upside down. A cat that was least interested in Gulliver and a 1-year-old child tried to gobble him. After dinner, the farmer handed Gulliver over to the nurse, who put on her bed and covered him with a clean handkerchief. As he dreamed in his sleep, 2 rats attacked him. Then he fought bravely with his hanger. Hearing the noise, the nurse came inside and picked Gulliver in her palm. Gulliver told her that he fought bravely with the rats with his hanger and assured her that he would always protect her. So children, hope you all have enjoyed the story. So here are a few questions for you all as a class assignment. Those who have not attended the live class, please answer to yourself. Number 1. Who was Gulliver? Question number 2. Where was the ship actually heading to? Number 3. When did Gulliver and his fellow men discover land? 4. Where was the ship carried to? Number 5. What did Gulliver observe? And as a home assignment, you have to learn the new words from the chapter. So I will be back in the next class. Thank you children. Have a great day ahead.